How to log out of WhatsApp on your iPhone. Here's what you need to know. Unlike many other apps, WhatsApp doesn't currently offer a traditional log out button on iPhone. However, there is a simple workaround if you want to stop using WhatsApp temporarily while keeping your chats safe. First, open WhatsApp and tap Profile in the bottom right corner and scroll down. Next, tap Chats and then select Chat Backup. Before doing anything else, tap Backup Now and wait for the backup to complete. This ensures your messages, photos, and chat history can be restored later. Once your backup is finished, return to your home screen. Press and hold the WhatsApp app icon, then tap Remove App and choose Delete App. This removes WhatsApp from your iPhone and effectively signs you out of the app. If you decide to use WhatsApp again later, simply open the App Store, search for WhatsApp, and reinstall it. After reinstalling, open WhatsApp and verify your phone number.
Next, tap on Continue.
Then be given the option to restore your chat backup and recover your conversations. Keep in mind that deleting WhatsApp without creating a backup first could result in losing messages that haven't been saved to iCloud. That's it. While WhatsApp doesn't have a dedicated logout option on iPhone, this method allows you to sign out and return later without losing your chats. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more WhatsApp tips and tutorials.